This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has what you need for work as well as what you want for play. This Chevrolet's list of numerous features includes power windows, steering wheel controls, a CD player, a rear parking aid, side curtain airbags, and this vehicle has just over 24,000 miles. The steadfast 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, creates ample amounts of power whether you're towing or just driving around. This vehicle has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking truck.